Hello, in front of me I've got CUBOT X19 S. Today I'll show you gameplay from Pokemon Go. As you can see, here is our character and whole map. In here, in our range, we've got some Pokemons, but maybe if we've got this event, let's fight the Air team. Let's battle him. And we've won. Now we've got possibility to save this Pokemon. Let's use Berry on him. One more time. Okay, let's go further and try to catch some Pokemons. We've got 4 in our range. Let's try catching this one. It was easy one. Now maybe let's try to catch this one. This one stuff. Let's use Berry on him. Great, we've caught him. Let's check on menu. If we tap here, this button in the middle, we got access to specific menu. For example, we can see our Pokédex with all Pokémons we've seen or we've catched. We can see Pokémons we've got right now. And we can go to shop. For example, to obtain daily reward or buy some boxes or other things that help us in playing. In items, we've got all our items. For example, incense, potions, camera, gifts, Pokeballs. And we've got battle, but it's currently unavailable. Okay, let's tap on our character. Here we've got our character. We can choose body. Let's take this one. You can see our journal and change style. Also, we can see distance we've walked, how many Pokemons we've caught, and how many Pokestops we've visited. Okay, if we tap here, we got access to quests, we've got access to quests for today, in field or special. For quests we gain rewards. If we tap here, we got possible area of different Pokemons. And that's it for the beginning. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.